Practice 3-point turn. Signal right, slow down, check mirrors, and the right blind spot. Stop close to the right side of the roadway. Keep your right foot pressed down on the brake pedal. Signal to the left. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Check all around the vehicle. If it is safe, move over as far to the left as possible, then stop. Select reverse, then turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Check all around the vehicle. If it is safe, back up until there is enough space at the front of the vehicle for you to go to the left. Then stop. Select drive. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Check all around the vehicle. Look to the left, then go there.